guys, it's Vaishali. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make crochet beaded hoop earrings. So let's quickly get into the video. So the first thing you need is these hoops. You'll get these easily in any jewelry stores. Other materials are a crochet hook, cotton thread, some beads, which I have already beaded into a thread. So this is how we need to make the first loop. For this, you need to hold the thread at the back side of the hoop and then grab the thread and push it through hoop with crochet hook and make a single chain. This is how we have made the first knot. For second knot, again grab the thread and push it through hoop. Now here, as you can see, that you have two loops. So push the thread through both the loops and repeat the process. So here I am making 25 knots. If you have small size hoops, then you can reduce the knots as per the size of hoops. And once you are done with all the knots, turn the hoop and now start making 2 chains. After making 2 chains, take this extra loop and push the crochet hook through chain and grab the thread. So here you will have 3 loops. So you need to push the thread through all the loops and then make a single chain. So repeat the process for all the 25 knots. Once you reach at the end, close the knot. As you see, I have already beaded a thread with these golden beads. So here I am attaching the thread with our earring, and for this, grab the thread at the back and then push the crochet hook through first hole and make a knot like this. So this is how your thread is now attached. Push the crochet hook through this thread like this. Here you have your first loop. Now pull a bead . And push the hook through second hole. Here you will have 2 loops. So push the thread through both the loops and make a single chain. So this is how you need to attach the beads to our earrings. So here I am again pulling a bead and then repeating the process. So once you reach at the end, you need to make a closing knot like this, and whatever the extra threads you see, you just need to cut it with the help of scissors. Here is the final reveal. DIY jewelry is always a great way to renovate your look without spending much money. These decorated crochet hoop earrings are very easy to make and looks really pretty. You can choose the matching color of threads and beads to your dress, and a must-try DIY for all the girls out there. Try these DIY earrings and share the picture with me, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe if you are new to my channel for more exciting videos. I'll see you all soon in the next video. Till then, take care and bye.